Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the Honorable Tomboya for the question. On background, Mr. Speaker, sir, as you're aware, the Fiji Tourism Development Programme Vanua Levu was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister on 20 September 2024 last year. This 10-year multi-phase program with financing of US $200 million or Fijian $447 million from the World Bank will develop resilient and sustainable tourism infrastructure and services in Vanua Levu, including Taveuni. This financing is on highly concessional terms through the International Development Association. We are currently in phase 1, referred to as Vualiku, the first of 3 phases valued at $61.5 million US. This phase will run from year 1 to year 6 and will set the foundations for sustainable tourism in Vanua Levu. As I have previously shared with the House, the crux of this program is to mobilize investments in resilient infrastructure and essential services, create a more enabling business environment, and to enhance institutional coordination. On road upgrades, Mr. Speaker, sir, I am pleased to share with the House that a contract for the design and supervision works for upgrading the Cross Island Road has been negotiated and will be awarded in May 2025. The Cross Island Road, which links Lambasa and Savu-Savu, is the island's most traveled route. Vualiku will support the transformation of the Cross Island Road into a safer, more resilient, and more scenic journey. While the 95-kilometer sealed road is currently in reasonable condition, it still requires significant improvements, not only to enhance safety, but also to help position Vanua Levu as a leading tourism destination. For many visitors arriving or departing through Lambasa, the Cross Island Road is the first and last impression of Vanua Levu. We envision this road becoming much more than a connection between 2 towns. With scenic lookouts, comfortable rest stops, and clear navigational signs, we can turn this into a beautiful, memorable journey, showcasing nearby attractions like the Waisali Rainforest Reserve. It is also a hope that MSMEs can leverage this as an opportunity to create businesses like Urata Lookout. Mr. Speaker, sir, the design phase is estimated to take 11 months at a cost of $1.1 million US, with a total of $14.5 US allocated for design and construction. On jetty upgrades, Mr. Speaker, sir, the current phase does not include upgrades to jetties in Vanua Levu, as this is potentially being financed via the Asian Development Bank. However, work on an integrated tourism master plan for the Northern Division will commence next month, with completion targeted for August 2026. The master plan will deliver a 25-year phase development framework for the Northern Division, alongside detailed 5-year development plans for key tourism areas, including Savu-Savu and its surrounds, the Aotearoa Peninsula, and Aotearoa Bay, Lambasa, and Taveuni. Key components of the integrated master plan will include spatial development plans for major tourism zones, strategic planning for tourism growth and investments, strengthened destination management and tourism sector coordination, and infrastructure and essential services planning to support sustainable tourism development. Infrastructure priorities identified in the integrated tourism master plan, such as jetty upgrades, could be financed through phase 2 or 3 of the program. In conclusion, Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm confident that this investment in planning and infrastructure in Vanua Levu will help create increased income, boost investment, and ensure long-term sustainable growth for local communities. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.